Hey y'all, it's Meg and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing with you my brand new apartment tour. I moved into this apartment about 3 months ago, maybe a little bit more than 3 months now, and I'm pretty much done. I don't really have any major plans to do anything else to it because I know it won't be here for too long. But I'm very, very happy with how it came out. It's definitely like a little bit of a collected vibe, some color. I wouldn't necessarily call it maximalist. There's not like a ton of big patterns or anything, but there's a lot of splashes of color, some cute little quirky things that you can look and find around. And I think it's a really good mix, especially because I am not coming at it with a ton of money, and a lot of things I have found really economical, whether it's Facebook Marketplace, some things they even have from the hotel that I work at that they were just gonna trash, artwork from Etsy, secondhand stuff, and I'm excited to share it with you all. Oh my God, it is a gajillion degrees. The one thing this apartment does not have is air conditioning, and I turned my fan off so that I didn't have background noise in the video, and it's freaking hot. Like, the sweat on my upper lip is ridiculous. So we're gonna be fast. Thankfully, I was aware enough to take lots of video and photo of the completely empty apartment, so I'll be showing you that with the finished space so you can see where I started. It is a 1-bedroom apartment. It is plenty spacious for me, and yeah, it's just a great little spot, and I'm really proud of it.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds, because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground.
One of my favorite things about this space is definitely all that natural light. It makes everything look so good.
Be stumbling in the dark, your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free.
I'm trying my hand at a few more plants in my space. The tall tree is fake from Michael's. I got on super sale. But this adorable little swan planter is a real turtle vine plant from the flower shop that I work at, and it's doing well.
You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at
I am so in love with how this gallery wall turned out, kind of layered behind the television. It's mostly thrifted and Etsy art, with that Christmas tree one at the top is a real painting, and I have a couple of pieces I brought from Dallas, but it just looks so good together.
My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day, and I just wanted to say,
this black dresser was something I found at a roadside sale last spring in Maine. It's super nice here as a little like mini bar area with this modern shelf that I got from Home Goods. And it's serving an important function. It's actually hiding a speaker box that connects to the front entrance, so that's strategic. And then this is just a sweet little thing. My boyfriend and I wrote down a bunch of restaurants that we want to try in the area, and so we can just pick out of a little cup the next time he comes up.
I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you.
The kitchen is definitely small, but extremely functional. I'm actually super thrilled with how low the cabinets are because they're very easy for me to access as a exceptionally short person. And I just like to keep some mementos on the fridge. I found this vintage bread box at an antique store. I did do a little organizing and cuting up all my spices. And then these are all things that came with me from Texas, and I love having them here. Love that orange juice base. is a really great size. I have a king size bed and it fits perfectly with tons of room to walk around, and the natural light is just really hard to beat. I found these yellow golden curtains at Christmas tree shop and they make everything feel so warm and cozy, and they keep a lot of the heat out, so they're super helpful. And that is my new apartment. If you have any questions or want to know where anything is from, leave it in the comments below. And if you want more day in the life behind the scenes fun stuff, you can follow me over on Instagram or TikTok at MegIsPrettyCool. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.